Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are showing you guys this bird feeder, but this is not your typical bird feeder. This is a 1080 smart bird feeder. And what's really cool, I know we're going to get to showing you guys the footage, we're going to show you guys everything, but this has AI bird recognition. So this can auto recognize 6,000 plus bird species. Insane. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so there's a lot to go over, so let's just go over one by one. Alright, so they give you your bracket for mounting. They give you a solar panel to charge it, so yes, it is solar charged, and they give you the panel with plenty of cable. You get your mount for your panel, you get your mount for your actual camera, you get your top cover for the bird feeder. You also get a little stand for them. I believe the birds can stand on that and eat. This is your whole camera. So this is the camera that can be tilted and positioned. On the top here, you're going to have your TF card slot, I believe, and also your port for the solar panel. And this is what it looks like behind it. They also give you a Type-C USB cable, screws, mounts, and everything needed to put this together. And your manual, of course, as well as a strap. So this piece goes in just like that, and then you take this and you just thread it on. Very simple, very easy so far. Alright, you got a DC port in there as well. Now, however, it looks like you also have a port behind here. So that actually might be, I believe that's for the solar panel to plug in right on the back there. This back panel can be taken off if you need to access the back for any reason at all. So we're going to put a TF card in here and go from there and continue setting this up. Alright guys, then what you're going to do is you're going to put your SD card, where we showed you. Then you're going to put this one like this, and you just pop it down right in there and right in there, and this allows you to lift it back up like this. And then that's going to snap in right in there. So simple, guys. So easy so far. Alright guys, all you do now, let's see if we can show you. Right up in here, you're going to press this button and hold it, and that's going to turn your camera on. So you press and hold. And there we go. Then go ahead and close this back up. Put that down in.
Please use the app to format your SD card first.
And then we're going to go through the motions. Download the app, go through that, and see you guys in a little bit. So guys, to set up the app, it will be in this book. I don't want to show, the stuff, but it is in your manual, so you can find it in your manual. You can also search the name, which that is the name right there. So Apple or Google Play, you can find it. We're getting it set up. We're updating it now. So far, the whole process has been super easy. So guys, this is going to be used for mounting. What you do is you push this in like this, and you push it the whole way, and you'll hear a click, and then it can mount. So you can screw it on the back, or you can screw it down, straight down. That's going to be up to you. If you want to take this off, you just push this in, and then you push it out. So it's so far very easy. All right guys, we went ahead, we got the solar panel up, we got the cam up and operational. We're going to put some food out. Now guys, keep in mind, when you put a new bird feeder up, it takes birds anywhere from 1 to 5 days to actually start eating from that. So don't be afraid if you guys don't see any birds for a while. That is absolutely normal. The birds, for one, have to get used to it, but they gotta first find it. So keep that in mind. It can take a couple days for birds to actually trust it and find it and so forth. So this is what it looks like, and the birds will come and sit. So probably gonna get some squirrels no matter what we do. Like over here we have this bird. We get squirrels that come onto that one as well. But hey, we'll see what we get.